Anything which is provided out of box in Salesforce when you log in for the first time, it's called standard. And anything that you as an administrator or you as a developer create in Salesforce is called custom. A general thumb rule, anything which is standard would have the API name without any underscores and C in the end, whereas anything custom generally would have a double underscore followed by a C in the end. So that's a way of differentiating between standard and custom. Standard, anything and everything which is provided by Salesforce out of box. So like account object is a standard object. Contact object is a standard object. There are certain reports which come straight away, so they are standard reports. Then you can create some custom reports as well. So things like this are, whatever is there when you log in for the first time is called standard. Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.